Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, today I'm going to show you a video that I made quite some time ago. I guess it was back in 21, maybe, something like that. It's been long enough that the product that I'm showing you, I guess, isn't made anymore and it's out of stock everywhere. Sorry about that. I'll give you some links to some similar products in the description. And you can also, I found one 2-ton puller on eBay. So you never know. You might can still find them. But hey, check out the video. Tell me what you think. So, I'm supposed to be going this weekend to pick up a tractor. Bought a winch early in the week. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it mounted up. Bought this just in case I couldn't get the winch that I needed or get it mounted up. This is a 4-ton puller, maximum 8,000 pounds. Safe working load 4,000 pounds. Using it doubled up. I was a little concerned about it because the last one I got is a piece of junk. But this is a different brand. It's a Tekton. Heard a lot of good things about Tekton tools. Thought I would test this out. And this is a fairly heavy duty piece of gear. I wouldn't be scared to pull on this like the other one. It's a piece of junk, and I thought it was going to snap on me. Nice little piece of equipment. We'll see. Over the next day or two, I'm going to try to build a mount. So I'm going to pick this tractor up. It's a little John Deere. It weighs about 3 grand. Try to get it loaded up on my trailer and see if we can bring it home, figure out what's wrong with it. Right now it won't start. Had some cooling issues. It was getting too hot. They were shutting it down. When it would get hot, I don't know, we'll see. Getting it for a fair deal if it can be repaired. If it can't be repaired, might end up losing a couple $100 on it when I sell it for scrap. But we'll see. I appreciate it. This is a new tool. I'll give a review on it later. Tell you how I like it. Thanks for tuning in.